Let me ask you something. When was the last time you thought about your circulation? I know it's not the kind of thing we chat about over coffee, but after 60, good circulation becomes the secret sauce for feeling vibrant, keeping your memory sharp, and, yes, enjoying a little romance in life. Now here's the surprise. There's a humble kitchen ingredient that's making waves in senior health: baking soda. I know what you're thinking. Baking soda? Isn't that for cookies and cleaning? But listen, it's not just for the pantry. When used safely, it can be a gentle ally in your wellness journey. Let me share a quick story. My neighbor Joan, she's 72 and sharp as a tack. She told me she was feeling sluggish, hands and feet often cold, and, well, intimacy with her husband just wasn't the same. She read about baking soda and decided to give it a try, carefully, of course, and with her doctor's blessing. Here's what she did. Every morning after breakfast, Joan mixed just a quarter teaspoon of baking soda into a big glass of water. She sipped it slowly, never on an empty stomach. The key is moderation. Too much can be harsh on your body, so always start small and check with your doctor. Within weeks, Joan noticed her hands were warmer, her mind felt clearer, and believe it or not, she and her husband started taking evening walks, hand in hand, just like the old days. Improved circulation brought a glow to her days and a spark to her nights. So why does this work? Baking soda helps balance the body's pH, making your blood flow more smoothly. Better circulation means more oxygen traveling all through your body, fueling your heart, your brain, and yes, even your romantic side. But remember, this isn't a magic fix. It's a gentle nudge, one that works best alongside healthy eating, regular movement, and staying connected with those you love. If you're over 60 and looking for a natural way to boost your energy and intimacy, why not give this a thoughtful try? Always check with your doctor first. Now I want to hear from you. Have you tried baking soda for your health? Or do you have your own secret for staying young at heart? Drop a comment below and let's share our journeys. Here's to warm hands, open hearts, and many more vibrant years. Take care of yourself and keep the conversation going.